All right, sixth grade, so we're back. We have our basic room done here, and now we need to show an accomplishment. So you should have chosen an accomplishment to do. I'm going to be doing the fact that I have artwork in a new gallery. So as an artist, I have an easel in my house. So I made a little easel here out of some strips of clay. Here he is, you see. And we're going to, I can just stick it in here if I wanted to, right there. And then I have some little pieces of clay. That could be my extra paintings that I'm doing. Maybe that can go on the easel. And I could have, maybe I can have one over here, or I could even draw one here on the wall too. But that doesn't get me in with my abstraction techniques. And the three abstraction techniques that we're using are distortion, rearrange, or multiply. So let's think about this for a second. If I want to rearrange, I could take a tripod is what a easel is made of. So I can take my three pieces and my crossbar, and I can put them in a different order. So I could say, well, here is going to be my easel, something like that. Doesn't really look like an easel, but that is my easel. That would be rearranging everything. If I was multiplying them, I would make more than one of these, which means in my little space and how much room that takes up, see, that takes up a lot of room in there, I would need to make them smaller or skinnier so that they could fit in there. That would be multiplying. Or I can distort what I already have, and that's what I'm going to go with. So here's my little easel. And what happens if I take my easel and I start to sort of turn it like this? And I kick the legs out, maybe make that one come in like this. So it sort of looks a little half melted on me here. And I put that in there. I'm just going to rest it there for right now. And then I take these and I'm going to go ahead. Well, first I would have multiply because I have more than one. And then what if I take them and I really sort of wave them like this? So these are my paintings. Maybe that's the one that's going to be hanging on the wall right there. And I don't know. That's the one that's on the, no, I actually don't like that because then you can't see the easel. So I'm going to put this one maybe right here like that. All right, so that's working with distort for me. And I don't know how well you can see that. Don't know if I can pick it up. So there, that is distort. So that is showing my accomplishment as a working artist getting into a new gallery, and it is working with distortion. So I'm going to go with that. So now I'm going to have to go back and use my whole score Wet n Wild, which you are very well aware of. So just as a quick reminder, I'm going to take, I'm using this tool, the needle tool, and I'm going to score this area. I want to score here where it's going to be hanging. Take a little bit of water here. Press it on. Okay. Now I don't want to lose my edge, so I am not going to add anything or smooth it out. I want to try and take my chances. Keep my fingers crossed that doesn't come off of there. Okay, so there's that. I would do the same thing with all of my other pieces, score, wet, and weld. So really fast, that's what you want to be doing. Remember, these are the three that you're using: distortion, rearranging, or multiplying. Have a lot of fun.